Hi, I'm Steve, and today I just left Carbone Nissan with this beautiful 2020 Nissan Altima 2.5 SR. One thing we are going to check out is Nissan's battle-tested 2.5 liter inline 4 power plant. With 188 horsepower and 180 pounds of torque, it's a wonder how this gets 37 miles per gallon highway, and the SR version also gets 31 miles per gallon combined. And there's what does it all. Gives you enough power and very good gas mileage. I always liked how efficient these Altimas are. And one thing that this Altima makes very easy today is to get a good shot of it. Now, very similar to the midnight editions of the past, the Nissan Altima SR gives you some darker chrome around and some dark accents all the way around the vehicle as well. And another thing I really like about the 2020 Nissan Altima SR are these 19-inch SR alloy wheels. They just look so good, especially in pictures. Now, not only is this car roomy for the driver and passenger, it's also roomy for your family members or friends or co-workers that might go in the back seat, and the trunk, which I do have the intelligent key in my pocket. So touch a button, trunk goes up, and the Steve Explorer gear goes right in the back. Now, if I want to fold the seats down, no fumbling or bumbling. Press those and pull down for the (60-40) split. Now, that's nice room. I have actually had mountain bikes and snowboards in a Nissan Altima before. Okay, let's shut the trunk by Steve Explorer gear. Wow, I love this interior. Now, the Nissan Altima is engineered to inspire confidence with standard safety on every side, with automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, high beam assist, rear cross traffic alert, rear automatic braking, and of course a shield of airbags around you. And these are all available on different models of the Altima. Let's go. One thing I'd like to do is talk about how the car actually feels. So let me just move the steering wheel up a little bit. Perfect. Like the way the steering wheel feels, like the flat bottom, like that it's leather wrapped. And speaking of leather wrapped, I really like the leather on the seats. It's comfortable. You sink in just a little bit, but it's still firm. I really like the leather Nissan's using on this 2020 Altima. I do like the larger screen. It's in an iPad style. I was apprehensive about it originally, but driving around and seeing it, I do enjoy it. I think it works for the car, and I definitely think it works for usable technology. A lot of vehicles have technology that can feel overwhelming, and this 2020 Nissan Altima SR does not have that feel to it. I like all the Bluetooth features, all the audio features, the satellite radio features, and the camera features are nice also. Now, all of the Nissan Altimas have a very nice interior. That's one thing I've noticed about Nissan for many years. They always take care of the driver and the passengers. This SR model, I like how they made it just a little bit sporty, but still kept all of that comfort and convenience. Like this. Years ago, you had to go to a Maxima to get a sporty and comfort ride like this. I like this a lot. Maybe the dealership won't notice if I don't return it. I hope you enjoyed my video on this mixed weather fall day here in upstate New York. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to share this video. Hit the donate button in the bio and description, and I will show you more all around New York State and our planet Earth. Also, I would like to give a big thank you to all of the sales staff at Carbone Nissan of Yorkville for the use of this wonderful 2020 Nissan Altima SR today.